This is the story of a lion and her lunch. One day, Lunch was born. She was born and she didn't find her mother. She was lost. She walked around and could not find her mother. A lion saw her. The lion started running after her, chasing her because she was obviously Lunch. So the baby gazelle, the Lunch, started running away, but was not sure what she was running away from. She ran and ran and ran, but then she soon stopped running. And when she stopped, she started playing with the lion. She actually thought the lion was her mother. She played with the lion. The lion was hungry, but then started to feel sorry because this Lunch was not aware of the fact that she was Lunch. So the lion just stared and then started to feel sorry and just let the Lunch play with him. So the Lunch kept playing, thinking that the lion was her mother. She played and played and played and waited there, and the lion didn't eat her anymore. She thought, how can I eat such an innocent and foolish Lunch? So the lion just stared at it for a while. And the Lunch kept nugging at the lion. And they were becoming friends. It was all so nice, so sweet. But it wasn't meant to be, because just as this lion was still playing with the Lunch, another lion roared and came running. And this lion was very angry, thinking, why, oh why, are you playing with your Lunch? So the lion came and it grabbed the Lunch off the other lion to say, don't play with your food. And that was the sad part of the story, because this baby realized the hard way that that was definitely not her mother, and she had just ran into the predator's mouth. And so at the end of it all, she did become Lunch.